I talk about the first condition, it is t power minus 2 multiply u power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 36, and second condition also you can able to see in here. Now, if I talk about firstly this type of question, this condition is always holds true, always, because it is given that if, that means if t and u are positive integer, that is given to us. That means it is valid in both condition 1 and condition 2. It is one of the question that is important for us because sometimes there is some confusion in this type of question. So firstly, it is given that t and u are positive integer. That means it can't be any other value. It should always be a positive integer. Now we have to figure out this value. Now if I talk about the first condition and if I try to solve it, means if I just write it here and after that if I try to just look and comparison, if I do the comparison, I can able to see that either t square is equal to 6 square, and if t square is equal to 6 square, then u cube will definitely come out to be 1. Right? My main aim is again same, that t and u should always be my positive integer. Our second condition is that the t square is equal to 1 and u cube is equal to 6. Definitely we will get two different answers. But here the point is that it is given that t and u are positive integer. So if I talk about this point, u cube is equal to 6, and if I try to solve this, u will not come into our integer. It is for sure be some decimal value. So that's why I will avoid this answer. I can't take this answer. Although if I take this condition, the question is that this is a condition and there is no role of the question. Yes, you are right. But if any time it was given that if this is there, if this is there, so in that case we have to assume that this is true for both the conditions. So it is true that u and t are positive. So we have to eliminate this answer. We can't take this answer. So we have only the single answer, and as per that we can able to figure out this value for sure, because t square is constant. From here I can able to figure out the value of t, and u cube is also constant. There is only single value of u cube, so from here I can also find out the u. It's your call, although directly we can able to solve, but again don't try to solve because we know that t value is unique and u value is also unique, so we will get a unique value, and this what we want. We need the unique value of this particular means whatever expression. So condition 1 is sufficient. I hope this part is clear that why it is sufficient. Okay, now if we take the second part, second condition, again either you take first condition, second condition, does not matter, but t and q, it should be positive integer again. And again if I do the comparison, firstly the condition is t into u power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 6. So directly I can able to say that t is equal to 1 and u is equal to 6. Don't think that t can be equal to 1 by 6 and sorry u minus 1 can equal to 1. No, because in this t is not my positive integer and this is what I want. So that's why this cannot be, I can't take this particular values. So I have only the single value of u and single value of t. For sure I will again get a unique answer of this particular value or expression. So that's why it is also sufficient. So we can say statement number 1 is sufficient, statement number 2 is also alone sufficient. So option number D will be the correct answer. Cross check this, look over this, one of the interesting question because of these conditions.